The workshop's been really good. I've enjoyed it. It's been a lot of work, but it's been fantastic. I think, one of the strengths of these workshops is that we get people of different disciplines together. People are very friendly. I've had some people come for the first time say, wow, you people are really friendly. And I think that's one really important thing about collaboration. It's effective when it's fun and rewarding. And so that part of it's been like every other workshop, it's been really good. There's been a few things that we tried this time, and one was sort of looking after patients, and we ran a very successful patient conference and vasculitis workshop, so the Vasculitis Foundation, and I think that should be really a key part of the conference now and the workshops going forward. But we also got the patients are very interested in the science, but I find it hard to read posters, and I think they find it almost impossible. So we got bright young people, and we coached them a little bit on how to talk to patients and how to detechnicalize things and explain what it means for them. That's what's really important. And every break, we had the patients in a special room where they got food and cups of tea and what have you. And bright young people came and talked to them about the various posters. And one of the patients, who in her professional life does something else, is going to take these ideas back and demand that the people she worked with do the same thing. So that's kind of quite good, and it's quite fun. In terms of the scientific program, I mean, this is the second workshop where we've just gone. This is about all forms of vasculitis, AAV, including EGPA. It's very important though, so we're not going to give that away. But although I didn't have time to go to them, lots of people told me that some of the sessions on the rare forms of vasculitis were actually very interesting. But I guess my main interest is AAV, and we had a little mini workshop about biomarkers, and there's a lot of discussion about perhaps in a progressive and iterative way, defining and redefining over time more accurate markers of remission and relapse and disease activity. And those are sort of really important things. I think we've done really well as a group, as a craft group, to actually work those things out and do it so well. But we can always do better. And I think with potential new panels of biomarkers, this might be more possible, and the computational power that's available. I guess lastly, it's hardly news, but new treatments are always interesting, and some of the new treatments, you keep bumping it. Some of the new treatments are also very interesting, and it's always good to keep up with what might be coming on the horizon. Here in Australia, locals don't have easy access to anti-IL-5 for EGPA, and but that may be coming soon, and we're kind of looking forward eagerly for that to happen. So, look, it's been a great experience co-convening the workshop with my colleagues, Saffron Hill and Vicky Quincy. And I'm really looking forward to going to Istanbul in 2028, and in fact, Montreal in 2030. So we'll see you there. Thanks.